Yo, I know I sound dehydrated, but just like don't mind that. I'm probably gonna go get water after this, but what's good? I'm no longer gonna use a tracer voice because it's getting annoying for me, and it will be much easier to edit if I use my real voice, so whatever. Okay, so watch how the murderer kills my friend first, and then Teamer 2.
Totally blind and targeter. Oh, bro! My girl, just admit you're bad.
And right here, he literally admits to teaming.
Bro, I'm trying to give it to my friend.
Here's some proof that they were being extremely delusional. The teamers are both right there, right? The murderer killed someone right there, right? The person who's closest to her is right there, right? So my friend got murderer this round. She gets shot and they both just feel the need to say easy, bro. Okay, back to the gameplay.
Holy